This evening, we have new information about the controversy surrounding a prominent computer forensics expert and what it could mean for the cases he has worked on. The Hennepin County attorney and FBI are investigating Mark Lanterman. This comes after a Wisconsin attorney in a similar field accused Lanterman of falsifying his credentials. Investigative reporter Jonah Kaplan has been digging into this. He joins us now. And Jonah, you've interviewed Mark many times before. What are you learning?
Amelia, Lanterman says he's worked on more than 2,000 cases, and he's calling this a smear campaign against him. Still, attorneys that we spoke with today warn that even if a few parts of his resume turn out to be inaccurate, that could be a big deal. Mark Lanterman is a well-known and well-regarded expert in computer forensics. This is Lanterman speaking at the University of Minnesota back in 2017.
So we're going to talk about how hackers need our help.
In 2023, Lanterman helped us better understand the impact of a massive ransomware attack on Minneapolis public schools data.
This data does not expire like a credit card.
Speaking generally about cybercrimes, though, is not the same as testifying as an expert witness, where that expert's credentials are critical to the reliability and credibility of that testimony. Kevin Sieben is a criminal defense attorney in Eagan.
It could be forensic science, it could be toxicology, it could be DNA, could be a lot of different subjects. But it's something where you've had a particularized training, education, and experience to show that you have knowledge that the average everyday citizen wouldn't have.
It's unclear what part or parts of Lanterman's resume is under investigation by authorities, but the attorney who said he first raised concerns claims Lanterman embellished pretty much everything, including his education and the time he spent at some of his jobs. That attorney, Sean Harrington, did not want to speak with us on camera. Some of Lanterman's credentials do check out. The U.S. Secret Service confirms to WCCO Lanterman was a member of the Electronic Service Crimes Task Force. But while the probe continues, there are already ripple effects in ongoing cases involving Lanterman across the country. In Florida, attorneys earlier this month filed a motion to strike Lanterman's testimony about a breach of contract issue. In New Jersey, Lanterman must appear at a virtual hearing to answer questions about his resume. Lanterman's firm was hired to analyze computer files as part of a dispute over trade secrets. But those are issues with current cases. When it comes to looking back, Sieben says overstating one's past wouldn't by itself be enough to overturn a judgment or conviction.
You got to be able to not only show that there was testimony from something that was wrong, but you have to show that you're actually innocent before we're going to overturn a case.
The Hennepin County Attorney's Office tells us there are as many as 10 cases involving Lanterman that are currently under review. It's also not clear at this point what would happen to Lanterman personally if things don't match up, other than a hit to his reputation. Amelia?
All right. Thank you, Jonah.